Repair your poured-in-place rubber surfacing with Fast Patch, a playground surface repair kit that is designed to last. Fast Patch is the quickest and easiest solution for repairing rubber surfaces commonly used for playgrounds and running tracks. Anyone can use Fast Patch to repair cracks, splits, and holes in their poured-in-place surfacing. This rubber playground surface repair kit makes fixing and repairing your playground unbelievably painless. Each DIY box has the precisely measured amount of required rubber and binder, so you do not have to worry about inconsistencies in the final product. And it is so simple to use. First, cut away the damaged area. Then, clean out loose debris. Add the entire jar of binder to the rubber in the bag. Mix until all the rubber is coated. Use the wooden spreader to apply some of the remaining glue in the jar to the edges. Trowel the Fast Patch in place and then just let it dry. Fast Patch is available in a large assortment of standard and fun colors. Custom blends are available at no extra cost. Fast Patch makes the top layer of your playground's rubber surface highly customizable and offers free shipping. To properly maintain and protect your rubber playground surfaces or running tracks from the elements, keeping them looking and performing like new, we strongly recommend using Max Clear H2O Surface Conditioner. Periodic use of Max Clear H2O Surface Conditioner will protect, preserve, and will drastically extend the life of your rubber playground and track surfaces. This revolutionary water-based product is by far the smartest and most effective solution to maintaining your rubber playground surfaces and running tracks for years to come. To learn more about our Fast Patch Repair Kit or Max Clear Surface Conditioner, visit discountplaygroundsupply.com or call us at 888-760-2499.